Sorry, just in case we need it. All right, so if you're in class, let's do them together. If you're at home, just say them. And here we go. So starting with 0. How do we say 0? All right, ready? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let me hear you. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. All right, now let's pause for a minute. All right, and now I'm going to go up by tens. I'm going to have you repeat them. All right, now there's only 5 of you, so you got to make sure everybody's doing it. All right, ready? 20. Okay, everybody online still saying these two. All right, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. All right, remember if we said even on 100 is 100, if you're going to say 150, you'd say ciento, right? It just changes a little bit. All right, now we've got our hundreds, and then we can mix and match them up. So let's go through those. Repitan, 200, 300, 400, 500, 600, 700, 800, 900, 1000. All right. And then I reminded you at the bottom here, it says, remember, if you see a period, a decimal, you flip that for the comma, so don't let that confuse you. At the bottom, I gave you some big numbers like that, which I keep forgetting to change. So remember, this is not 13.78, this is 13,780. All right, I'm going to give you a couple. You ready to jot them down? I'm going to stop sharing this so I can write them on the board in a minute. So if you need to get out your paper, get out your paper, and then I'll put them on the board behind me. All right, so find a place to jot these down. I'm giving you, I think I came up with 4. 4 numbers? Yeah, 4 numbers. All right, I'm starting with a 2-digit. You ready? So type it somewhere or jot it somewhere. First number is 87. Jot it down somewhere. Okay, 87. 87. Get some volunteers to tell me what these are in just a second. I'm going to do 2 and then I'll get a volunteer. 87. All right, we got that one. All right, going a little bigger, 3-digit number. Ready for 3 digits? 524. 524. 524. 524. You feeling confident? Confident? All right, I got some nods in here. Hopefully you are out there. All right, so let's go through these. We'll do 2 and then I'll give you another 2. All right, numero uno. Who wants to try that first one? What did I say? What did I say? What did I say? Looking for volunteers in front of me or online? Reddick, what did I say?
87.
I did. I said 87. Did you get that? 87. 87. 87. If you didn't get it, you see it now. 87. All right, second one. What did I say, Unique? Say it again. 524, I believe is what I said. How many people got that? Did we get it? Yeah? All right, I'm going to say it again in case you missed it. Okay. 524. 524. Got it? All right, I'm going 4 digits. You ready? Okay, 4 digits. Here we go. 6,439. 6,439. 6,437. No, sorry, 39. That's why I write them down. Otherwise, if I keep saying them, I say different numbers every time. All right. Quentin, what did I say?
6,439.
Sure did. So 6,439, and you'll notice how I'm writing it because I want you to get used to seeing it that way. All right, I'll say it again. 6,439. Yeah? All right, I got last one for you. It's 5 digits. You ready? 98,761. All right, I'll say it a few more times. 98,761. 98,761. I said it enough times. All right, I'm looking for a new hand. Rest for a minute, Quentin. That's all right. Who's got it? Rest for a minute. You got your point. You're good. There are 20 of you on Zoom. Who's got it besides Quentin and Reddick, who already went? All right, Sylvia, what we got?
This one was kind of hard for me, but I said 98,771.
You're super close.
671?
No.
Oh.
Still super close. All right, anybody have something really close to that, but not quite? All right, Mutar, what'd you get?
98,761.
That's it. All right, he said 98,761. All right, I'll say it again, see if you can follow it if you missed something. The 6s and the 7s are always a little hard to differentiate between. All right, 98,761. You see it now if you didn't before? Do you need me to explain it? We good? Okay. All right, your turn. We're going to do kind of what we did the other day. I want you to come up with a couple numbers that you can share with someone. Let's go ahead and do 3 numbers today. All right, we will do, let's skip the easy one. Let's do a 3-digit, a 4-digit, maybe try a 5-digit. You think we can do it? Let's try it. All right, so jot 3 numbers down. You do not have to spell them out. Write them out just like this. Do a 3-digit, a 4-digit, and a 5-digit. And again, please write it down because I know if I say a number over and over and over again and I don't have it written down, I start changing it and that makes this super hard. All right, so write down 3 numbers. Just jot them somewhere. You do not have to spell them out, but you can use your paper to help you say them correctly. And then I will pair you up with somebody here in a second. So that you can practice them. Okay, I'm going to say this one more time, and then I'm going to let you go to your breakout room if you're online. Okay, so you should be jotting down right now a 3-digit number, a 4-digit number, and a 5-digit number, just for the heck of it. All right, then I'm going to put you in a breakout room or pair you up in here, and you are going to try to say those 3 numbers in Spanish for your partner. Partner, you are going to try to jot them down just like you did for me. Okay, now again, I repeated each of these like 3 times, so make sure you're saying them 2, 3, 4 times, however many they need. Partner, if you need them to say it again, just say repita, por favor. All right, and they'll say it again for you. All right, so then obviously go back and forth, and if you're having a problem with pronunciation, you'll just have to ask your partner, or you can come back and ask me. either way, or just wait till the end and then you can ask. Everybody get what you're doing? Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and divide you up. If I lose somebody or you don't have a partner, just give me a second and I'll switch people around so that everybody has a partner. All right, if you are on Zoom, it should be asking you to go to a breakout room. I'll get with you guys in a second. Let's make sure these guys get there. Join your breakout room if you haven't yet. Bryson, Zion, Naya, Noah, go. Bryson, Zion, go. So if you are looking at your current lesson, go back to your current lesson, whether you're here or at home. I'm gonna have you do 3 and 4 kind of on your own here. So first of all, besides Halloween, what holiday do we have coming up here over the weekend that has to do with Spanish class? Yeah, Dia de los Muertos. I've got a few of my little things out on the table here. So I guess if you're not going to be here on Monday, I didn't think about that. You can look at my little things now. So I don't know how much or how little you know about Dia de los Muertos. So that's what I'm going to give you 5 minutes to find out. So if you look at numero tres on my daily lesson, it says questions, Dia de los Muertos, and then it says submit here. So I want you to spend the next 5-ish minutes doing a little internet research if you do not already know the answers to those questions. So it's like, why do we celebrate Day of the Dead? What does it mean? What are some symbols that go with it? When is it celebrated? Where, like what country does it come from? So I want you to submit those. And then when you're done with that, you can move on to number 4, which is an exit ticket on numbers and Sarah Star. Okay. So I know we didn't really go through Sarah Star today, but we went through that on whatever day I last saw you. And you have notes on that. And I also attached the notes if you forget. So I'm happy to give you the next 20 minutes or so, 15, 20 minutes to work on those 2 things. And then on Monday, we'll go through your Dia de los Muertos questions. And I'll show you some of the little Day of the Dead things that I have in class. And we'll pick up from there. Over the weekend, then your only homework would be make sure the exit ticket's done and spend a little bit of time on Quizlet. Does that make sense? Okay. So Zoom friends, if you understand what you are doing, okay, you're not done. You need to do your Day of the Dead thing, turn that in, and then work on your exit ticket. But if you don't need me and you feel like you want to do that on your own, you are welcome to leave the Zoom. If you feel like you might have a question, then just stick around and work on here. And if I don't see you, have a great weekend. Hasta luego. And if you want to stick around for a minute to talk about anything or if you need help on anything, just stick around. Okay?